What prompted you to get into this line of business?
I'd say, first of all, it was by accident. What I'm doing now, being a creative lawyer, because what I got was a brief from a number of clients. So what they wanted me to do was manage their group. And because they were a group of artists, so I had to really concentrate on doing what they required me to do. I had to up my game and become a very good creative lawyer for them. I was trained in intellectual property, yes. I was trained in managing businesses, starting businesses, incorporation of businesses, but that was part of my legal training, because as a lawyer you're trained in everything. You do every single part of law. Now when I got this brief from my clients, I had to really concentrate on doing the creative part for them, know what intellectual property rights they had, get a way of protecting their rights, get a way of managing their rights, the intellectual property rights, create awareness in the group. And then again, I was also taken up by British Council, trained in business skills, and I concentrate in intellectual property, getting that information to the other end. So it's basically by accident and basically by the demands of my clients.
What are your current business challenges?
One would be lack of awareness, where people really don't care about their intellectual property rights. People don't care about getting your businesses to comply with the laid down regulations. You assume because you want to do business, you can do business and not comply with the law. You don't want to register your business, you want to go in, do your business, make money without doing your taxes, without registering your business, complying with regulations. So basically one of the main challenges is lack of awareness. Again, there's also the issue of enforcement, where you see that the state is very slow in enforcing the rights of intellectual property rights owners. So that is one of the biggest challenges.
High points and low points of your venture.
My highest point was the day I got that brief to be the manager for United Artists, because it was challenging. I never thought of it that way before I got that brief. So it was a high point. Another high point is when you go to a training and you can see the demand, the people you are training the people you are training, the demand they have on you, the kind of hunger they have to get what you want to tell them. That is one of the high points. The low point is when you lose an intellectual property suit, where you really want to enforce the rights on behalf of somebody. Then you lose that suit because maybe the knowledge is not out there. So even the people who are supposed to enforce the rights, they fail you.
How do you balance work and personal life?
Sometimes you have problems. Basically, when you need to balance work, life, and with me, my life is my work, and my work is my life. So basically, you find me sitting down a whole night trying to do something, and tomorrow is also a working day, but you really need to have done your work by tomorrow. So you sit down the whole night, you're eating into your sleeping time. So basically what I do is do it with a lot of passion. And what I'm doing now is my passion. So I really enjoy. So whether I take my work home or I bring my personal issues to work, I feel everything is part of the other. So my work is part of my life and my life is part of my work.
What are your future plans?
I want to be the best creative lawyer in Africa. To be one person who really understands what the creative industry requires of the legal professionals, where I can be a consultant on behalf of a very big consortium of companies, of creative entrepreneurs, where I'll be protecting so many rights on behalf of people, whether or not they pay me, but to be a very good creative lawyer and to offer expertise to startups, small businesses, enable businesses to comply with the law. Because basically what you see with businesses is that you really want to do business, but perhaps you lack the knowledge on how you can go around it, or you lack a legal professional who can assist you without you having too much capital, who can assist you to comply with the law with minimum capital. I want to be one of those people.
Resources needed to scale up your business.
Basically, I believe presently I have enough skills. I have a degree, I have a bit of exposure. Although with exposure, you can't say you have enough. So basically, what I require right now are skills, getting exposure, walking into a crowd of people and getting to see their needs, understanding their needs. So basically, what I require right now most is exposure, because with the training, I have the training. So it's the skills of learning how to be with people, getting to know their needs and assisting them.